Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna here with news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. 1 killed, 10 hospitalized in another accident on Kogi Highway where 7 Federal University Lokoja students died. Similarly, at least 6 students of Kogi State University Science and Technology Alero have died following an outbreak of a strange disease, with several others currently hospitalized. Now move to Kano State. The Kano State Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf has directed 4 emirates to commence preparation for the Salah Doba celebration to ensure that citizens and visitors enjoy the festive period. Now move to insecurity. The Jigawa State Police Command has arrested a teacher, Malam Musa Wada, over killing of 14-year-old Almajiri Bashir Adamu. During the interrogation, the suspects confessed to committing the crime and led detectives to the location where he had buried the victim. Still on insecurity, 2 farmers have been killed in an attack by Fulani herdsmen in Manguno local government area of Borno State on Tuesday. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment and share. Now, Nigerian army have neutralized a suspected bandit collaborator known as Dama Dandan during an operation in Safe local government area of Zamfara State. Still on insecurity, Nigerian army in joint operation have repelled Boko Haram attack in Kaleri near University of Maiduguri. The attack happened on Wednesday morning, resulting in the killing of 1 civilian. Now politics. The Kaduna State House of Assembly slams former governor of Kaduna State Nasuru El-Rufai for calling lawmakers illiterate, says he remains indicted. Now former Vice President Atiku Abubakar blames Tinubu's political gamesmanship manipulation for Rivers State crisis, condemn emergency rule. Now move